is Robin. What's happening? A huge big to do, but I'm sure we'll keep it. Anywho, another wheel swap with those groovy little spoked wheels. This time I didn't paint them silver with them black. I like the Jag, so that's what they look like with silver. And I suppose you could put like little brakes in the back, give it depth for those spoke wheels. But yeah, I got this from I got this from that, or from those folks. So kind of a bit of a, that's what I do with them. And yeah, they roll pretty good too. This. Oh, another tip I want to make with those is with the little axle things. I put solid axles on those instead of the, because I found sometimes these ones here, the little rod things go right through. But I don't know, just something to note. But yeah. So these guys are here like solid axles. Not bad for solid axles, man. Nickel plated too, so real quick.